Hey guys, welcome to FX Chronicles. This is Azam, and today it is May 5th, 2015. So let's get started with our daily market analysis. Before we do that, it's important that we go over the disclaimer that the information that is provided is solely for educational purposes. I'm not a financial advisor, so do not use my advice for purposes of trading necessarily. And on top of that, Forex includes a high amount of leverage and risk with that, and you can potentially lose all of your investment if you don't manage your funds appropriately. That being said, let's move right into the action here. Okay, so Euro USD, we're looking here at the daily chart. We're seeing that there is this resistance area, and currently we have Euro USD closing with Euro being in strength. I'm assuming that once it breaks this level, there's the potential for it to hit this point, and it can either go down, or it'll continue to go up to perhaps 750. So there is a lot of upside potential here on Euro USD. We'll just have to see how it reacts to everything with the dollar. Will it perhaps strengthen or weaken? We'll see that. Dollar yen, what we are starting to see is that the dollar is starting to weaken. It's just, again, in this range that it has been trading in for the last few weeks, and perhaps dollar might either continue going down, and it might touch again over here where there could be a buy signal, or it might just break through, go higher about 121.20, 121.30 before there could be a short opportunity. Okay, pound dollar. Yeah, we took this trade. We went back and forth with this. It was my mistake. I should have probably waited for it and not taken it right away. But we see that it's been in an uptrend, and there was a pullback here. I still believe the pound might consider going up, and so there might be potential to go long on this trade. I'm just staying away from it. It just didn't work out for me earlier, so yeah. Alright, Aussie dollar. Now yesterday after the news, it just shot up, and we were actually taking this trade much earlier. The only difference was that we were in on this trade on the market level, and we were up about 5 pips. As you can see, it closed with plus 5 pips for us, and this was right before the news. We decided to close just because we weren't sure that if the position was going to work out for us or not. And as you can see, a lot of people got cut. Even if you put your stop below the daily levels, it went below that. It took out a lot of positions before it rallied up. So it will be interesting to see what happens here. It's starting to reach this region of resistance here, and we'll have to see how the dollar responds to that. Okay, dollar CAD here. Again, we're in a region of support, and maybe we can see perhaps that the dollar might gain strength over the next couple of days, and it can just shoot up. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens there. As of right now, I can't really make any assumptions based on that. Now Kiwi Dollar, again, we're seeing that it's in an area of support right here, and we might just see a long if there's a breakout of the daily. We might just see that, but if not, then as we're starting to realize that the dollar has still gotten a lot of strength, because the long-term trend has been down, so that means dollar has been strong. Then again, it's only Tuesday today. Euro pound, that looks like a pretty good opportunity to go long, so I'm just going to leave it like that. Euro yen, could go long. We do have a uptrending preceding trend, so there's that potential. Pound yen, oof. Well, we had this area of resistance right here, and then we have seen this. So if there's a breakout, perhaps the price might fall down to 180 before it can continue going back up. So it'll be interesting to see that. Euro Aussie, it's been pulling down from the resistance. I think it's going to pull down to 1.4 before there might be a retracement. So we'll just leave it at that. Euro CAD, strong opportunity perhaps for going long. Aussie CAD, it's already been, after the news, Aussie has just been really strong, so it might just continue that. Similar thing with Aussie Yen, it's in this area of resistance, but I assume that it might just break through it and go up to 97. CAD Yen, giving us a shorting opportunity here. Will be interesting if there's a breakout and it can perhaps fall down to 97. So there's potential in this trade, that's for sure. Kiwi Yen, we've been seeing that it's been in this region of support and it's been struggling, so if there's a breakout above these two prices, we can see it easily go above and beyond in that sense. Pound CAD, it's in this support region. It's just going to be interesting to see if pound is strong enough to just pull through and get up to 8,500 at least. Pound Kiwi, we're actually in this trade right now and anticipating a short on this one based on just all these indecision type of candles, these hammers, inverted hammers. So it's going to be interesting how much it drops. Let's hope it drops. And then pound Aussie is also in the support area, so going to be very interesting to see if it continues to fall. If it does, it's probably going to come down to 1.9, so 116 pips. And Euro Kiwi, we are in this position also, anticipating, because of this doji, I'm anticipating it to go down, but it's just going to be interesting to see what happens in the next few hours or so. Well, that's all that I have in terms of analysis. Nothing more happening as of right now. If you have any questions, just hit us up on fxchronicles.com. Our course is for $63. You get all my daily analysis. You get with that group chat where you can exchange ideas, and always my help on anything that you need help with, or you can just go with our trading signals, which are for $30 a month. Alright, well, thank you so much for your time and have a great day. Bye bye.